Hi guys, good evening everyone. Welcome to the weekly target session where we will discuss the targets. So just I will try to share this link with everyone. Just 1 second.
Amazon पर मिलेगा रोज का सामान तो आपने
Guys, can you hear me? We will start the session in 1 minute. Okay, good evening everyone. Good evening everyone. So guys, how many of you first of all, okay, took the today's test and met the last week target? How many of you met the last week target? Okay, how many of you were able to finish the last week target and took this like today's test, environment test? How many of you have done that? I would like to know from you. Okay, Siddharth has done that. Who else have done that? Cherry has done that. Okay. Who else? Please, guys, how many of you have met the target? Okay, what you had set for yourself for the entire week, and how many took the test today? How many took the test today? Ankita Bansal has also done very good. Very good. Very good. Okay. So, guys, for the coming week, okay, for the coming week, okay, we have again, we will be, okay, continuing with environment. We will be continuing environment and we will be finishing the environment book. We'll be finishing the environment book and we have the sections. Okay, let me just show you the sections. Okay, so you have now, okay, part 4. You have now part 4, which is agriculture. Then part 5, acts, institutions, environmental organizations, international environmental conventions, and environmental issues and health effects. Okay, so you have part 5 and part 6 for the coming week. Okay, so let me guide you what you should focus upon, okay, in these two parts. So first let me start with part 5, which is the agriculture. Guys, if you have observed the last 2-3 years paper in the prelims paper, you will see the number of questions they are asking from the environment, it is increasing. Number of questions from environment is increasing, and in environment section, one area where they are every year they are asking one question at least is the agriculture section, which is the part 4, which is part 4 agriculture. In agriculture, what you need to focus is on sustainable agriculture, on conservation agriculture, on zero tillage agriculture, carbon sequestration. These are the new developments in agriculture you have to focus. Okay, you have to focus upon. Okay, you have to focus upon. Is this clear, guys? The next one is the part 5. Next one is the part 5, which is acts and policies. Next one is part 5, which is acts and policies. In acts and policies, it is one of the most important chapter. It is one of the most important chapters in acts and policies. Okay, the first act is the Wildlife Protection Act, very important act. The second act is the Environment Protection Act, again a very important act. Then guys, Biodiversity Act, again a very important act. So these three acts definitely you have to prepare, and other acts also you have to go through. Okay, like for example, wetland conservation rules, coastal regulation zones, okay, the FRA, Forest Rights Act. Okay, so this chapter is very, very important, which is the acts and policies chapter. Then guys, moving forward, we have institutions and measures. in institutions and measures, that chapter, very few, okay, very few questions, okay, like these questions, okay, very few questions generally, okay, will come, okay, institutions and measures. For example, here I will tell you the important institutions. I'll tell you the important institutions. National Wildlife Action Plan, very important. Next, okay, CAMPA, compensatory afforestation, very, very important. Next, joint forest management, again, very important. Social forestry, again, very important. Okay, so I'm just reading from the index. I'm reading from the index. I'm telling you which are the very important topics. Which are the very important topics? You can just jot down. Okay. Next, when we go to environmental organizations, national environmental organizations, in that we have here, you see here, National Biodiversity Authority. National Biodiversity Authority, very, very important. Okay. Next, National Ganga River Basin Authority. National Ganga River Basin Authority, very, very important. Okay, next chapter is international convention. The most important chapter is the international conventions. Most important chapter is the international conventions. Okay, here you go starting from the very beginning, which is the United Nations Convention and okay on environment and development, starting from the 1972 Stockholm Conference. Okay, starting from that till the recent one, okay, Montreal Convention, okay, or this Kunming Montreal Convention, till the recent one, each and every convention, each and every international, okay, things which is mentioned in this book, you have to go through. Very, very important. Every year we see 2-3 questions coming from this chapter. Every year 2-3 questions are coming from this chapter. International convention. So okay, and last is environmental issues and health effects. Last is environmental issues and health effect. It is so important, not very important, not very, okay, not like not important at all. Okay, it's some like medium chapter. Okay, now can you tell me which are the important chapters? Okay, please repeat with myself. Which are the important chapters? Part 4 and part 5 is the target. Part 4 is the agriculture in the environment, and part 5 is the environmental, okay, acts and policies and organizations. Okay, so what you need to read, is this clear, guys? What you need to focus upon, is this clear? Anyone has any doubt, feel free in the comment box, you can type. Amitesh, any doubt? Amitesh, Anime, Kohli, any doubt? Anyone has any doubt? Please feel free to ask. Anything you can ask. No problem at all. Is the target clear? Is the target clear? Okay, good. Okay, yes, clear. Yes, clear. Okay, great. There is, okay, any target for mains? Yes. Now I'm coming to the mains target. In the mains target, you have to do one environment mains master notes which is left. What is that environment mains master notes? It is the EIA, environmental impact assessment. And if you have not completed the climate change mains master notes, then you have to read that climate change mains master notes and finish the EIA, environment impact assessment. Apart from that, we are starting with ethics. Ethics. Okay, this week we are starting with ethics. Okay, ethics. हाउ टू ज्वाइन करें, कैसे ज्वाइन करें? अरे भाई कैसे ज्वाइन करें? डोंट वरी सर, आई गिव यू माय नंबर, यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट मी. ओके, if you have any problem, you can call me after this sessions and you can ask me anything. I'm giving my number in the comment box. Feel free to contact me. I'll help you. Okay, I have given my number. Anyone who wants to speak to me after this session, okay, you can call me. I'll be more than happy to help you. Okay, so ethics है target आपका. Anyone mains target clear? Ankita Bansal, is the mains target clear? ओके, तो टारगेट क्या है आपका? एनवायरमेंट पे एक मेंस मास्टर नोट्स बचा हुआ है. कौन सा मेंस मास्टर नोट्स बचा हुआ है? EIA का. और एथिक्स स्टार्ट करना है. नेक्स्ट 1 मंथ में हमें एथिक्स का स्टैटिक पोर्शन कंप्लीट करना है. पार्ट ए, केस स्टडी वाला पार्ट नहीं, पार्ट ए. हमें स्टैटिक पोर्शन जो एथिक्स का पार्ट ए है वो हमको फिनिश करना है. ठीक है गाइस? तो ये हमारा टारगेट रहेगा. ऋषभ साहू इज ऑल्सो हेयर. ओके, ग्रेट ऋषभ. ओके, तो ये हमारा बहुत सिंपल टारगेट है इस वीक का. ठीक है, तो देखते हैं कौन कौन सा इस टारगेट में whoever is able to fulfill the target, guys. Okay, let me share with you a very important thing, guys. Targets. Okay, I'm telling you, if you just follow these weekly targets, if you just follow these daily targets, 90% of your work is done. Okay, I'm telling you, 90% of your work will be done if you just follow the targets religiously. I am very diligently I am planning your journey. I am diligently planning your journey. If you do whatever I am telling you daily to do it, okay, I am telling you 90% of your work is already done. If you are fulfilling the targets daily as per my directions, as per my directions. How many of you till now have followed all the targets which I have been giving you? How many? All the targets. How many of you are following all the targets? Okay, consistently. Okay, so guys, this was it for this week. Okay, please meet. Okay, so Kohli is answering. Okay, Cherry, very good, very good. Okay, I'm telling you guys, you will be rewarded. You will be rewarded if you are following the targets religiously. Definitely, you are going to be rewarded next year. You are going to be rewarded next year. So guys, if anyone does not have any doubt, I would like to end the session here. Okay, tomorrow morning the target will be there in the Telegram channel. Every morning I will give you the target. Okay, for ethics, what is the target? Okay, that I will tell you. In ethics, we will start with the at first two parts. Okay, first part one, which is introduction to ethics, will start. Okay. Okay, okay, then bye, good night.